Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Miro directly into your Microsoft Teams, meetings and channels for seamless collaboration. First, open Microsoft Teams. On the left sidebar, click on Apps and search for Miro. Select the Miro app and click Add. This will install the Miro integration for your team. Now, to add a Miro board to a Teams channel, go to the channel where you want it. Click the plus button next to the tabs at the top. Select Miro from the list of apps. You can then choose to create a new board or add an existing one. This makes the board a permanent tab in your channel for using Miro during a live meeting, start, or join a Teams meeting. Click the Share Content button. In the Sharing menu, select Miro. You'll be able to pick any of your recent boards to share directly into the meeting. All participants in the Teams meeting can then interact with the Miro board in real time without leaving the call. They can edit, add sticky notes, and draw, just like on the web. This turns your standard Teams meeting into an interactive. It's a workshop or brainstorming session, and that's it. You've successfully brought the power of Miro's visual collaboration right into your Microsoft Teams workflow. If this improves your team meetings, let me know how you're using it down in the comments. See you in the next one.